Welcome to the class, students. Today in this class we are move on to next diagram, that is two-dimensional diagram. In this your syllabus you are having pie chart or a pie diagram. You know how to draw the pie diagram. Already I have studied this concept in your high schools itself. But here we are recalling the same type. Okay. First you take down the problems on pie diagram. Take down the problem. The following data shows the cost structure of Indian hotel industry in percentages. Construct or draw a pie diagram to represent the data. Here this is the data, cost components, and total expenses in percentage. So administrative employees payments, repairs, food and beverages, power, selling expenses. So this is the data they have given. For this we have to construct the pie diagram, and the total expense they have given in percentage. So this total will be 100. Since we are constructing the pie diagram should be, it is in a circular form, that is in a circle form. So for each and every values we have to find, that is angles. The total angle of a circle is 360 degree. So for each and every values or expenses, we have to take the calculation, that is 30 divided by 100 into 360, 20 divided by 100 into 360, 14 divided by 100 into 360, 12 divided by 100 into 360, 16 divided by 100 into 360, 8 divided by 100 into 360, because the total angle of a circle is 360 degree. So for this the value will be 108, 72, 50, 43, 58, 29, and here the total angle is 360. So finding the angles is very, very important. If you get this in the points, you just take the approximation, no problem. So next is we are drawing the pie diagram showing the expenses of hotel industry. Here I am writing the rough sketch. So to draw the circle, you can use your compass. Okay, it is very good. And to mark the angles, you want a protractor. In this class, simply I am showing this just a rough diagram. Okay. When you draw the circle, exactly you will get the center point. So that is very, very important. So you just put one line for this. Since this is the radius, you have to put the protractor on this, and you have to count from that side. You know how to take the angle, how to draw the angles. So how to construct the angles using that, in the same way we are drawing here. For this is the center point. On taking on this line the protractor, you have to count the angles. So from our left to the right, the first angle is 108, so that it will comes here. and next is 72. Again you have to put the protractor here and you have to count like this. So on this line you have to put the protractor and count. So here this will be, it is 108, this is 72, and next is 50. So approximately I am writing this, so you know how to draw this. And next is 43. Here this is 43, this is 43, it is 58, 43, 58, 29. So this is how we have drawn, or we have divided the angle in this circle. And for this also we should give the different shades to write the index. Okay, whatever the shapes, whatever the design you want to give, you can give, but simply for this I am showing this simple one. Okay. So here this is the pie diagram. Pie diagram show the expenses of hotel industry, correct? Yes, hotel industry. Hotel industry. Next I should write the index. First one 108, it is like this. This is administration. Next is, this is our employees payment. And next is, this is our repairs. Next, food and beverages. This is power. Last is selling expenses. Selling expenses. So this is how we have constructed the pie diagram for the given data. So this is very, very important. In examination you will get a pie diagram for 5 marks. Next problem. The following data relates to the expenditure of a family per month. Draw a pie chart. Items, expenses in rupees. Food, clothing, rent, education and medicine, others. First we will take the total of this. Here this total is 6500. This is our total. Now we have to find the angles for this. You know how to find the angles, because total angle of a circle is 360 degree. So we have to take the, you have to divide this each number by its total, then we should multiply by 360. So the angles will be like this: 166, 83, 50, 28, 33, and total will be 360. Last problem I have shown that how to calculate the angles. Now next is we have to, and here this is the center of the circle. So we should start from here. So this is our center of the circle. So on this line only we should start calculating, or we have to count the angles using your protractor from our line to the left to the right. So first angle is 166. So 166, it may come here. Okay, this is 166. Next is 83. This is 83. Next 50. This is 50. 28. This is 33. This is just a rough sketch. So this is just a rough sketch. You can draw this very neatly using your protractor, and the angles will be correct. And this is all the just approximation angles I am showing here. And I'll give the different shapes for this now. So here I should write this in the index. And this first one is food. Clothing. Rent. Education and medicine. And last one is others. And this is the pie diagram or pie chart showing expenditure of a family. Expenditure of a family. But if you use your complex to draw the circle, and if you use the protractor to measure the angles, this will be you will get a clear picture, and you will get the exact numbers, exact lines and exact degrees, angles to show the diagram. Next problem. Next problem. For the following data, regarding the income of the government from different sources, draw a pie diagram. Draw a pie diagram. Here this is source, revenue in million rupees. Customs, exercise, income tax, corporate tax, miscellaneous, and the total. Here they have given the total, and the revenues are 80, 190, 60, 75, 35, total is 540. Next step is, this is the problem they have given. Next step is we have to find the angles, because the total angle of a circle is 360 degree. So we have to find the angle to draw the circle, and we have to show that in a circular form. It is 80 divided by 540 into 360, 90 divided by 540 into 360, 160 divided by 540 into 360, 75 divided by 540 into 360, 35 divided by 540 into 360. Now you have to write the angle for this one. Okay, so angle for this, it is 53, 127, 107, 50, 23. Total will be 360. When you are calculating this angle, if you get in points, you take the approximation. See here, if I take this, when I calculate this angle, I will get 126.66. So I will approximate that to 127. Here this is 53.33. So I have taken this as 53. Here also it is 106.66. So it will be 107, and this is 23.33. So I have taken it as 23.33. I have taken it as 23 only. So this is the angle. So this is the circle. In this, the first one will be 53. Next is 127. This is 127. Next 107. Next it is 50. And this is 23. So give the different shapes for this, shades. And last one here I will leave blank itself, so I will not write anything. Next I should write this in a index. This index is customs. Second one is exercise. Next income tax. Last one is corporate tax. Last one I have leave this as blank. This is our miscellaneous, and this is the pie diagram, pie chart showing different sources of government, showing the income of the government from different sources. So this is how we have calculated the angles and shown that in the pie chart or a pie diagram. So if you use your compass and protractor, you will get the correct angles and you will get the correct shapes. So this is just a rough sketch. Okay, in examination you will get this type of problem for 5 marks, and this is very important concept. Thank you.